Hey y'all, it's Carlyn. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a wash and go. This is actually my first wash and go that I've done in like forever. I can't even remember the last time I've done a wash and go, so I'm really excited. And I want to try out two mousses today. If you watch my channel a lot, you know I love me some mousses, especially a mousse and gel combo. So I know everybody loves the Doux. I love the Doux, like just everybody loves the Doux. So I want to try out two mousses. And another thing, if y'all watch my channel too, y'all know I love to compare products. So today I want to do the Mousse Def versus Chief Rocka. I haven't used Chief Rocka yet, so but I've heard a lot of good things about it. Like every review that I see on it, it's really good. And plus what I like about this one is it says holds like a gel, clumps like a foam. So like I was just saying, y'all know I love to use a good mousse and gel combo. So this is supposed to be like 2-in-1, like a gel and also like a foam. So I'm hoping it works that way, and I'm hoping it keeps on this good trend of, you know, like all the good reviews that I've seen of people using them. I hope that it doesn't do my hair wrong. So of course my hair is already washed, deep conditioned, detangled. If you watched my I don't know how many videos ago that was, of course this is right after that. So I use everything that I used in that video, and now we're just gonna go ahead and go in with the mousse, and let's go ahead and start with Mousse Def. So the only thing that I'm gonna use in my hair are these mousses. Of course, like I've been saying, y'all know I usually like to use a mousse and a gel because a mousse usually just isn't enough hold for me. Oh, and right now all I have in my hair is I used the Curl Love Moisture Milk by Camille Rose, and then I detangled with the Kinky Curly Not Today. I love that stuff. I always use that. So now we're just gonna go in, of course, with the mousse. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split my hair into two sections, and then I'm just gonna grab a little bit of, or maybe not a little bit, maybe a lot of the Mousse Def. It's coming out really watery right now. Okay, now it's starting to thicken up. So like I said, I got a lot, so let's just go ahead and work this in. And I'm really tempted to use a gel because I really want to, because I'm just like, this is not going to have enough hold for me. At least this side doesn't. If this Chief Rocka really does what it claims and it holds like a gel, then that should be good. But so I'm a little worried about this side. I'm just going to smooth and rake through my hair. Actually, I think I'm going to go get this new brush that I just got. So here's the brush that I got a few days ago, the Bounce Curl brush. I've been seeing this all over, and I finally got me one. But look at the curls already, y'all. They're already starting to take on a good definition. So I don't even know if I need to use the brush. Should I use the brush? You know what? I'm not going to use the brush. We want to see what these products do on their own, because it's already looking like it's doing a good job as far as definition. So I'm just going to let the products do their own thing so we can really see what it does or what it do. So I took about the same amount, and I'm just gonna rake this in as well. Give it a few good rakes. Make sure I have enough in there. I'm gonna get just a little bit more, just a little bit, and put it in. So now we have this one whole section done, and yeah, let's just go ahead and put it in this part. So now that I have it in this part, I'm really tempted to use that brush because y'all know I've been saying like my curls need a lot of help on this part. So I think I'm gonna use the brush just on this part. Probably not on this side because my curls on this side are pretty good, but I'm just gonna use it in this front part only. So this part will be unbothered, this part and this part. So only the brush in this part. Plus we can see how good this brush is for people who have not used this brush or have never heard of it, never seen it or anything like that. So let's just see what happens. And it really didn't do anything for my hair. So I think the brush is good, but I think just this hair up here is just I don't know what's going on. I think it did try to help out a little bit as much as it could, but yeah, this is just what we're gonna have to work with. So we're gonna go ahead and go and start working with the Chief Rocka. Never used this before, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. And we're just gonna do it the exact same. Split it in half and then put it on. And it smells just like bananas. Actually, those little hard candies that we used to eat when we were kids, I don't even know the name of them, but they were hard, and they had a banana one in there that was, of course, yellow, shaped like a banana, a little banana one. It smells just like that. I don't remember the name of the candy, but yeah, it smells just like that. It looks almost just like the Mousse Doux, so, but hopefully it works better as far as the hold, I mean, because this one, like I said, claims to have the hold of a gel, so I really want that, because if so, then maybe sometimes, you know, when I'm doing my wash and goes and I need to do like a little quick wash and go in a hurry, I can be like, okay, I know what I need to use. I need to use that Chief Rocka because I can skip one step. I can skip my gel step. Okay, here's that section, all good, and it's looking really, really, really good. So let's just go ahead and finish this out. Hopefully, just hopefully, this can be a new favorite and it'll keep on that trend of good products from the Doux, because I haven't tried anything from the Doux yet that I don't like. Like, I love everything from the Doux so far, so I don't want this to mess that up. I'm done with my whole head now. I'm just adding just a little bit more Mousse Doux to this side right here, and then of course we're gonna let it dry. I had to straighten out my part because it wasn't straight. But it is looking pretty good, especially on this side, especially because my hair is in a lot better condition on this side. So yeah, it's looking really good. I really hope that I like it. And this side is looking like in the front mainly. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and of course let this air dry, and then we'll be back. So it's several hours later and my hair is finally 100% dry. I mostly air dried, and then when my hair was like 90% dry, I just wanted to go ahead and get it dried up, so I sat under the dryer to get it dried up the rest of the way. But of course I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hair and I'm gonna stretch it with my blow dryer and stuff like I always do. But before I did that, I wanted to come in and check in with y'all so we can see how it looks before I do all that. Of course, y'all already know this section of my hair is, you know, acting up, and it might just need a few more washes, because you know sometimes when you come back from straight hair, sometimes it takes a few washes to for your hair to really start, you know, doing its thing. So I'm hoping that's the case for this, and if it's not, then I don't mind just going ahead and snipping this part off right here. But we'll see how it's going, because it does look a whole lot better than it did before I did this wash and go. So for the wash and go, as you can see, of course this is the Mousse Doux side, and this side back here looks really puffy. Not really puffy, but it's a little puffy. And then of course at the ends it gets really defined, and of course it looks really good, I think so. But this side over here, oh my god, it held the curl so much better. There's a whole lot less puffiness, much more definition in this part, as you can see right here. So here's the definition right here, and yeah, it's just so much better on this side. My hair doesn't really feel crunchy. Not really crunchy, but it feels a little stiff, I guess I would say. Not crunchy, but I just know when I put a little bit of oil on it, it's, I mean, because it feels soft. It's so hard to explain. It's like soft, but I don't know. Like maybe like a tad bit like of a cast feeling on it, but that feeling is more noticeable on this side, which kind of makes sense because it's supposed to hold like a gel. So I do like this side so much better. One, for the definition, and then two, I just like that it's a foam that holds like a gel. And like I said, y'all know I like my mousse and my gel combo. So this is gonna be something that I'm using a lot, especially when I'm like I said earlier, like if I'm in a rush or something like that and I'm just like, let me just grab this and go, because I don't want to have to go to mousse and then go to gel. So I'm gonna just grab this. But I do love my extreme wet line gel. That's why I say I'm just gonna use it you know, just when I'm in a rush, or if I just want to, you know, switch it up one time or whatever it may be. But this is definitely something that I'm going to add into like my list of favorites and list of things that I always keep. So as far as this goes, I want to know what y'all think though. Which side do you think looks better? Minus this part right here. We're just going to act like that part isn't even there. So yeah, which side do y'all think looks better? This side, which is again the Mousse Def side, and this side is the Chief Rocka side. So I will say, I am in agreement with all the other videos that I saw on Chief Rocka. It is really good. So if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. You're missing out. See, I was missing out. So I'm glad I got it. And yes, this wash and go is so good. I wish I would have did, like, I know we were comparing and stuff like that, but I just wish, you know, it just looks so good that I just wish I would have done this in my whole head. Next time I use it, I definitely will. This will be on my whole head. Like, this definition is so good. I can tell like this side is just gonna last so long, and this side, like, I don't know how long this is gonna hold up. I feel like it's gonna be like a few days or something like that. But yeah, y'all, I am so pleased with this product. So yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try out Chief Rocka if you haven't, or Mousse Def if you haven't, because if you haven't, or if you never plan to, I hope this video just encourages you to do so, because it works. I love the Doux. I'll just say that. I love the Doux. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.